What if I told you that eating plates full of eggs or sardines each day still isn't enough to protect your muscles after 60 pros? Imagine putting in the effort, following all the advice, and still feeling weaker, more tired, and less independent. For countless people over 60, this is reality, and it's quietly stealing quality of life, one day at a time. Have you ever noticed your favorite activities become harder? Your body feels heavier, or simply getting out of a chair takes more effort? You're not alone. Research from Mayo Clinic shows muscle loss, or sarcopenia, affects up to 1 in 3 people over 60 and continues accelerating with age, making falls, injuries, and frailty far more likely. Yet most advice focuses only on exercise or oversimplifies nutrition. The truth is, muscle strength after 60 depends more on the right nutrition, at least 80%, and science suggests your daily protein may fall dangerously short unless you use specific, powerful foods. Have you ever wondered why, even after eating what seems like plenty of eggs or sardines, your strength still fades away? In one study, older adults who believed they ate enough protein actually fell short by 35% or more, simply because what they picked didn't add up. It's not just about protein. Either it's also about the nutrients that help your body use that protein. So, which foods will really protect your muscles? What are you unknowingly doing every day that might sabotage your efforts and put you at risk? Imagine the difference in confidence and freedom if your body could bounce back faster after gardening, errands, or even travel. Are you making one of the biggest protein mistakes? Stick around, because today I'll reveal the 4 best canned protein foods most seniors never consider, plus 1 food in your pantry you must avoid if you want your hard work to pay off. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Let's bust the biggest myth first. Most seniors are told that sardines and eggs are superfoods for muscle, but even 10 eggs only deliver about 60 grams of protein, well short of the 100 grams per day research suggests are needed to maintain muscle after 60, and a single can of sardines barely gets you partway there. But the secret isn't eating more of the same foods, it's choosing the right protein, packed combinations, with nutrients that truly target age-related muscle loss. The first food you need to know about is canned mushrooms. That may surprise you. Conventional wisdom rarely points to mushrooms as a top protein source, but they offer a unique combination of benefits you can't ignore. A cooked cup of mushrooms delivers between 12 and 15 grams of protein, which means just 2 cups brings nearly as much as a can of sardines, but with fewer calories and none of the cholesterol. For seniors worried about both muscle and heart health, that's game-changing. Canned mushrooms do more than pack in protein. They're rich in potassium, which helps prevent the muscle cramps and unsteady feeling that so many older adults know too well. They give you selenium, an antioxidant that shields your muscle cells from the daily wear and tear behind most muscle loss. Their B vitamins B6 and folate are crucial for turning food into energy and new muscle tissue, which can be the difference between easily finishing your walk or needing to rest halfway. Add beta-glucans, which reduce inflammation, and you get faster muscle recovery, which means less soreness after your garden or walks. Some researchers observed that in a 12-week study, seniors who added mushroom extract to a light exercise routine gained 18% more muscle mass and recovered 23% faster than those who did not. That's not just numbers, it's being able to pick up your grandchild or carry groceries without worry. Across centuries, cultures like Japan have valued mushrooms both as food and medicine. Samurai and laborers alike relied on mushrooms for daily strength and stamina. Now, modern science supports that traditional wisdom. This is why I recommend canned mushrooms to my clients who want both convenience and results. They're cooked and ready to use, making it easy to add them to nearly any meal. And they keep well in the pantry, no excuses to skip your protein. Imagine adding them to breakfast. Sauté a cup with spinach. Toss in 3 eggs and some cottage cheese for a morning packed with muscle-building nutrition to launch your day. For lunch, layer mushrooms with chicken, chickpeas, and a scoop of Greek yogurt for a filling salad. At dinner, pair mushrooms with lean chicken breast, broccoli, and brown rice for a dish that amplifies the power of your protein. The key takeaway is that mushrooms aren't only a side paired with other proteins. They multiply each other's benefits, offering a foundational step to keeping your muscles strong and your recovery swift. But we're only getting started. Let's move to the next surprising powerhouse. You may already know about canned tuna, but do you realize just how much more effective it is for muscle preservation than sardines? A simple 100-gram serving of canned tuna delivers 25 to 30 grams of high-quality, complete protein. That's at least 40% more than you'd find in sardines per serving, and can deliver nearly a third of your whole day's muscle-protecting protein in one meal. But the potent benefits of tuna go far further than protein alone. Tuna's complete amino acid profile means your body never misses out. These are the exact building blocks you need, but can't manufacture yourself. Its powerful B vitamins, especially B12 and niacin, help turn that protein into energy, ease post-activity fatigue, and help nerves work properly for better balance and fewer stumbles. Tuna's selenium content helps guard your muscles against the invisible enemy oxidative stress that eats away at muscle cells bit by bit. All these benefits come in a food that's filling but not fatty, supporting healthy weight alongside robust muscle. The data is clear. In an 8-month study of older adults with sarcopenia, those who ate high-protein fish like tuna 3 times a week gained a full 1 pounds of lean muscle on average, while those who didn't barely managed a quarter of that. That extra muscle can mean the difference between climbing stairs or shying away, between independence and needing assistance. Tuna's benefits aren't a fad. Mediterranean families have relied on it for thousands of years, passing along not only recipes but the resilience to stay active well into advanced age. If you want easy ways to use canned tuna, try a breakfast scramble with tuna, eggs, spinach, and mushrooms for a complete protein synergy. Need a lunch that keeps you steady? Make a salad with tuna, beans, crisp veggies, olive oil, and lemon, combining plant and marine protein for even more muscle support. For dinner, tuna with roasted vegetables and quinoa balances protein, carbs, and recovery nutrients perfectly. Just a quick word of advice. Some canned tuna has a more sodium and traces of mercury, so pick light tuna like skipjack and low-sodium options. If you have high blood pressure or kidney issues, simply rinsing canned tuna under cold water helps lower salt content too. Tuna isn't just an easy pantry option when you're over 60. It's one of your best lines of defense against muscle loss. Combine it with mushrooms and you're already stacking the odds in your favor. But you can do even better. Now that we've covered mushrooms and tuna, let's move to a potent but often overlooked solution: canned beef. When you picture muscle-building foods, beef is usually top of mind. Yet, most people think you need to cook big steaks nightly. Not true. Canned beef delivers nearly as much complete protein as fresh cuts, all while avoiding extra prep, and is a game changer for seniors who want practicality alongside results. Just 3 ounces of canned beef gives you 25 to 28 grams of complete protein, packed with all the essential amino acids needed for repair and growth. To those fighting sarcopenia, this is critical. Research suggests seniors who include beef see not just slower muscle loss, but real strength gains. There's more. Canned beef is uniquely high in heme iron, the form your body uses best for delivering oxygen to your muscles. This extra oxygen can be the difference between walking an extra block or running out of breath. Creatine, naturally found in good beef, powers short, strong muscle bursts and quick recovery, making everyday tasks like lifting, standing, or squatting easier. Zinc aids in new tissue formation and helps your immune system stay strong, while B12 and carnosine support nerves and combat the silent inflammation that wears down muscle strength as you age. In one study, seniors who included canned beef in their diets over 16 weeks saw 22% greater gains in muscle mass and a striking 28% higher increase in measurable strength than those relying only on plant proteins. Real-life experience matches this science. American cowboys and workers historically maintained stamina and power on long journeys thanks to canned beef. Even before science caught on, canned beef is ultra convenient for seniors. Open, heat, season to taste, and enjoy. With the right recipes, it can fit any meal. For breakfast, try sautéing crispy potatoes. Mix in canned beef, onion, pepper, and top with eggs. This meal can deliver over 35 grams of protein. Need lunch in a flash. Mix canned beef with black beans, brown rice, avocado, and lime for a hearty bowl. At dinner, stew canned beef with carrots, potatoes, and mushrooms for an easy, nourishing one-pot meal. If sodium is a concern, always look for low-sodium canned beef and rinse before use. For those managing high blood pressure, balance canned beef with potassium-rich veggies like spinach or sweet potatoes to settle electrolytes. So why overlook canned beef? It's practical, effective, and full of the exact nutrients age-related muscle loss targets. Don't let it be just for emergencies. Rotate it into your regular meals. And, as you'll see, it pairs perfectly with the next food, the plant-based classic that has fueled generations. Let's talk about canned beans, long labeled the poor man's meat. Beans are the hidden muscle ally every senior should know about. A single cup of canned black beans has about 15 grams of protein, while kidney beans aren't far behind. That's more protein than you get from sardines. And beans bring more than protein alone. They're packed with magnesium, a mineral nearly half of adults over 60 are low in, which is critical for muscle relaxation, proper contraction, and faster recovery. Folate aids protein metabolism and helps prevent the weakness that comes when your body can't use its protein. Potassium supports nerve function and guards your heart. While the unique fiber and plant compounds in beans not only help digestion and blood sugar, but also reduce inflammation. Perhaps most importantly, beans offer lysine, an amino acid vital for building new muscle and absorbing calcium, which is essential for protecting both your muscles and bones. In one 20-week study, seniors who ate beans daily improved muscle endurance by 16% and recovery by nearly a fifth compared to those who didn't. The Three Sisters combo of beans, corn, and squash helped Native Americans build stamina and strength on and off the battlefield. Wisdom that lines up perfectly with modern findings on muscle energy and protein absorption. Canned beans are quick. Just rinse and add them to any dish. Try sautéing mushrooms. Then add beans and scrambled eggs for a breakfast that bundles animal and plant protein. A lunchtime salad with beans, tuna, diced veggies, olive oil, and lemon creates a full amino acid profile, powering you through your afternoon. For dinner, simmer beans with canned beef and tomatoes for a stew that slowly nourishes your muscles all night. If you're worried about digestion, start with lentils or split peas. They're gentler on the stomach but still deliver needed nutrients. Now, let's ask, are you accidentally undoing your hard work? It all comes down to what you pair with these powerful proteins. Imagine taking the time to eat the best muscle foods, only to block their benefits because of a pantry habit you never questioned. Are you making that mistake? The major culprit is instant noodles. They appear in almost every home. They're cheap, easy, and ready in minutes. But when paired with protein-rich foods, instant noodles quietly sabotage muscle growth. How? First, they spike your blood sugar. Refined flour and flash-fried oils push your glucose high and fast, which, according to one study on older adults, reduces your body's ability to process protein by over a third. The protein you just ate goes to waste. Instant noodles also trigger inflammation. Their refined flour produces advanced glycation end products, AGEs that accumulate in muscle and accelerate loss. Preservatives and artificial flavors disturb gut health, making it harder to absorb nutrients. Trans fats destroy cell membranes, blocking muscle repair. Then comes the sodium. One packet may contain upwards of 800 milligrams, nearly a full day's limit. If you've ever felt puffy, weak, or crampy after a meal, this might be why, especially when combined with naturally salty canned proteins. Consider Paul, a 72-year-old who ate all the right proteins, tuna, beans, mushrooms, but always with instant noodles. His energy, muscle mass, and joint comfort declined steadily. The moment he swapped noodles for brown rice and quinoa, he regained almost 2 pounds of lean muscle within weeks, and his energy soared. His blood work even showed a 60% drop in inflammation. So, what should you use instead? Choose quinoa for its protein and magnesium, brown rice and sweet potatoes for steady energy and added nutrients, or whole wheat pasta for slow-burning carbs that complement muscle foods. Every time you pass on instant noodles, you protect your muscles from hidden damage and maximize the reward from the protein foods you've chosen. Are instant noodles still sneaking into your meals? To sum up, real muscle strength after 60 isn't about endless eggs or eating sardines every day. It's about smart, practical choices, combining the power of mushrooms, canned tuna, canned beef, and canned beans. Food is proven to deliver complete, usable protein along with the vitamins and minerals your muscles crave to stay strong, supple, and ready for life. Avoid the silent trap of instant noodles and swap in wholesome carbs to fuel new gains. So, I want to hear from you. Do you include any of these 4 power foods in your meals already? Be honest. Are instant noodles still landing on your plate from time to time? Tell me in the comments below. If you appreciated these tips, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more science-backed ideas to help you live your healthiest, most vibrant life after 60. And check out my next video on reversing insulin resistance for even stronger energy and lasting independence. If you've ever felt tired or struggled with muscle loss after 60, this community is for you. Stay strong, stay inspired, and always remember, your best years are still ahead.